Good day, YouTube. Just about getting started with this video on a single turbo from SOHO Motorsports. It's been about 4 months and a half since I purchased this kit. Been waiting, nice and patient. I think because of COVID, SOHO Motorsports had a little problem sending this kit in 90 days. Or should I say maybe 8 to 10 weeks, or 12 weeks. But the representative, Januel from SOHO Motorsports, started following up with me, letting me know the status. I appreciate that. And finally, on the 19th of November, I received everything that I needed. So let me run down the setup of this car. Right now, this is what my engine looks like. Let me put this on the stand real quick here for you guys. Bear with me. Got a few stuff done to this vehicle. Did some stuff before I got the turbo kit that I knew I was gonna need, like the oil catch can, temperature pressure sensor, another oil catch can there, and I also installed a flywheel from C1 Motorsports for a better grip, together with a Z-Speed 800 horsepower clutch, so that I'll be able to get my horsepower when I put this on the dyno, or when I get this tuned. I also upgraded the rotors to slatted rotors, because as fast as I'm gonna go with this vehicle, you need to stop. I'm planning to take this to 650 horsepower. So I gotta stop. So I upgraded the rotors. I also changed the rear tires for better grip. And I know most guys get the Mickey Thompson set, but you know, it was expensive enough for me to get the turbo kit. This is my interior right now. Been doing little stuff here and there. So I did want to get the AN gauges and a couple of more, 2 more gauges, not AN, but at least to check the water temperature and the oil temperature. But over there, I was able to get the turbo boost gauge, the oil pressure sensor, and the air fuel ratio. I know I was gonna need those as well. I was able to get the wiring running already for all those gauges. They're sitting in place for me to get it connected. Now going back to the turbo kit, this is the following that I received from SOHO Motorsports. Give me 1 second, let me stop this music here so you guys can hear me. You guys can hear me now. So I received a filter, turbo blanket. This is the Garrett GT3582, I believe. The waist gauge, 2 glove valves. This harness, I don't know what it's for, but I'm gonna find out. This is the fuel pump. The injectors, 1050 cc's, and then we got some of the exhaust heat wrap that I'm gonna need. Also, heat wrap for the hoses and cable. Over here, the necessary fittings and clamps for the turbo piping. Really good ones so that they won't pop out. They also send some of the gasket for the exhaust pipe on the bottom. The hoses for the power steering and turbo fitting, cooling, and oil for turbo, and couplers. On the exhaust, on the intake side, we got all the piping, which I already started wrapping on heat wrap for better temperature. Intercooler, which is under there, and this is the crash bar, which I will be replacing. And the hot piping I have not wrapped yet. This is going to be my little project today. I won't be showing a video on this because you can find videos on wrapping exhaust, so I will be doing it separately. But yeah, everything that I need is here to start. I will be following the instruction manual here. I was able to print it out. It's a real thick manual, but it tells you everything on how to do it. It shows you a list of every piece that you receive. This is including the stage 1 and stage 2. I will be following the stage 1. But yeah, I guess I'll be ready to get started. I'll be putting these things on 4 pyramids to lift them up and start disassembling the front bumper, taking the intakes out, and follow the instructions to the letter to get this thing installed. At the end, when everything is installed, I probably will be contacting SOHO Motorsport for a base map to get my car started, and I will follow it by getting it tuned as well to try to get 650 horsepower. So I'll be documenting on the process. I won't not be too detail on it, because there's stuff that you guys might know how to do. If you are intending to do this, you already have the basic of the mechanics of how taking things apart. I will be showing installation on every piece that I install from SOHO Motorsports, so that this can help somebody out in the future. Stick around. This is the beginning of a new car for me. It's gonna be something. So stick around. You have any questions, post it in the comments. I'll be able to answer your questions when I have the chance. So thanks for watching.